Hi, welcome back. In my previous, we discussed on how to use bed in CREO, and I said you can use placement. You select a surface, then bed line. You can do a sketch. Okay. Today we are going to use option two, that is inserting a bed by use of a reference. If I roll back here, I want to put a bed here. Maybe on this time I want to put a bed at an angle. If I want to put a bed on this sheet metal here at the placement, I can use a bed line sketch as we discussed in part 1. Check the video description for part 1 for you to understand this. If I say OK, you can see I'm bedding on this line. You see, my line is at an angle and I'm bedding there. And let me delete this, and I want now to illustrate how we can perform a similar bed to the previous one here. Using a sketch. Let's see what was the dimension of this sketch. It was 21. Let's use 25. This one is from previous video. Kindly check it for you to understand what is happening. If I go back here, I want now to bed this face here, but now instead of using a sketch, I'm going to use these references. Let me go to the top. If you select the first reference, drag it to this edge, therefore, and this reference to this edge, it means that the bed will start from this edge to this edge. These two blue sections, that's what they mean. Okay. Then at the location from this edge to this line, we need to know to define these 2 points. Therefore, from this edge, a certain value, in this case is 40 automatically, and from this edge a certain value. You can see if this one is 40, you can change this to be 45 if you want to have a diagonal, maybe 60, like that. But let's go with a 20, similar to the 25, similar to the first one that we made, 25, like that. If I go isometric here, you can see if you select this one, this arrow, you change to the direction, and this one defines the fixed edge. Okay. I'm using this as my references to insert the bed. If I go to the front, again, if I go to the radius and put 5, you can now have the same parameters as the bed radius direction or side, can be outside or inside. For the bed area position, you can start at the bed line. As you can see, this point defined our bed line, and you can start the bed from this point centered such that the center of this bed is at the bed line. Also, we said the last one is edge at the bed line such that this line here, you can see a small line, the length of this curve, it will exactly be this length from this point to this point. Okay. And as I said, you can still change these values here if you want. If you want to go to roll like that, you can change all of them. If you go front here, you can say you can do like that. You see, again, let's insert another bed this side here. Go to the bed placement, select a surface, go normal to you, can go top. I want now this to be from this edge to this edge here, you can see, to this edge, then to this edge to define my dimension, then to this, then from here to this edge to define my dimension. You see what is happening. Can go up like that. Then for the angle, you can change this one to 90 like that. Yeah, you can see that's how you can use now the reference method when creating a bed in CREO Parametric. In my part 3 now, I'll go to the bed and start and explain how to use a raw bed into deeper detail. Thank you and stay tuned for more.